Okay, this is a video tutorial on how I test PlayStation 3 controllers. Right now I'm in the game Dead or Alive 5, which is a free download from the PlayStation Network. Open it up and you go to the training mode and just go to free training. Doesn't matter, solo match. And it just tells you which controller. Doesn't matter who you pick here. Doesn't matter the board. Okay, and we're loading up. And what you'll notice on the bottom left hand corner, that's going to correspond to the button presses that I do. Now, for instance, I'm going to press the square button now, and you could see it'll say the H button, or it doesn't really matter what it says, but it just basically stands for that I've hit the button. Now, this is me pressing the triangle button 5 times, and this is the kick button 5 times. Here is the X button a couple times, and here is me pressing R2 a bunch of times. Here's R1, here's L1, and you can of course test the up, down, left, right on the analog or the actual D-pad. Start will pause the game. Select doesn't do anything, but you don't really need test select because I find that never is the problem. If you want to test the L1 or L2 button, it'll make the character do some type of like taunt right here. It's the only one that doesn't show up in the corner, but you can clearly see if it works or not. So what I do is I go and I give the character maybe a set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see they all worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever, a little bit more. As long as the button press shows in the bottom right corner, though, that's what we need to make sure happens, because sometimes you'll press the button, 5 or 6 times, and you'll see it only went and showed maybe 2 or 3 times. So that controller is defective because for whatever reason the inside of it is not registering all the hits. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.